Hi folks, if you are working on a CommonLit assignment that does not have guided reading questions, meaning that as you read, parts of the text are not blurred out, then you don't have those multiple choice questions embedded. However, you do have questions like this one right here that says find evidence, highlight the names of characters in paragraphs 1 through 11, highlight the name of the narrator in a different color. Or this one down here where it says describe the food that people eat, or make an annotation in paragraph 14, what role does agro-global play in society? You're still going to answer those questions, but you're going to have to do it differently. Up here in the corner, see where it says new right here? See that little highlighter? That's the annotation tool. And you're going to click on that tool and use it. So now when you have a question to answer, you highlight that question and notice this pops up. You can choose annotation or highlight. If you're answering the question, you're going to click the T for text and you're going to put your answer here. Click done and your answer will be there. If it tells you to highlight, then you're going to find the part that you want to highlight it with your cursor, and then click one of the highlighters. Now your teacher will be able to see all your annotations. So if there are several questions inside the document, you're expected to answer them and answer them completely. Notice this one right here says find evidence. Highlight 3 pieces of evidence in paragraphs 20 through 21. So when your teacher grades this assignment, she or he will be looking for those 3 pieces of evidence. And it looks like on this particular assignment, if this were the one assigned to you, there are questions all throughout. Sometimes there are even questions here at the very end, and you're also expected to answer those the same way. Once you've read through and answered the embedded questions with the annotation tool, then you need to come over and answer your assessment questions. Generally, those are multiple choice questions with one constructed response question at the end. Remember, your teacher will be able to see all your annotations and will be able to see the answers for your assessment questions and that constructed response question at the end. So to get credit or to be able to receive feedback, you need to be sure that you have not skipped any of the in-text questions.